Click to start typing. Input a well-structured, descriptive prompt. Click the arrow to send. Hang tight while your image is being generated. Your image is ready. Click to enlarge. All done. Click the download button to export your visual prompt.
Did you know that you could create an interactive tutorial like that in just minutes? No coding and no editing skills needed. Stick around because I'll show you how one smart tool can change how you teach, pitch, or explain anything online. After watching this video, you'll learn how to create a shareable animated walkthrough, and you'll get ideas on how to use it for teams, content creation, clients, even in education or training. This is a game changer, especially for educators and designers. Meet Supademo. Supademo is a no-code, web-based platform that automatically turns your screen recordings into interactive, step-by-step tutorials. Once you hit the Record Supademo button, go through your workflow, and it will instantly generate a clickable walkthrough, complete with smart captions, highlights, and built-in navigation. It also has viewer analytics to help track and improve engagement across different audiences. Unlike basic screen recorders, your output isn't just a video. It's a fully interactive experience your viewers can explore at their own pace. And you can embed it on websites, documentation, or productivity tools like Notion. This makes it especially efficient for team collaboration and versioning across shared workflows. It's absolutely perfect for onboarding users, streamlining internal training and SOPs. Also for product tours, handing over projects to clients, or simply showing how to do a task without being in a Zoom call.
Nice.
This is also helpful for training students. It saves hours of repetitive teaching and coaching, so you won't have to explain the same steps over and over again. So is this something you'd actually use to increase productivity? Let me know what type of use case fits best for you. Your answers help others too. Now let's jump into a quick walkthrough so you can see exactly how Supademo works in action. Once you're in, there are a few different ways to start recording depending on your workflow. You can install the Chrome extension, which is great if you want to record directly from your browser. There's also a desktop app available if you need to capture non-browser apps, or if you already have pre-recorded footage or screenshots. You can upload your own content, and Supademo will help you stitch it together into a seamless tutorial. And lastly, for those who want to add a personal touch, you can record with both your webcam and screen to guide viewers face-to-face. Let's try the browser extension to create a simple guide in adding an animation for a Canva presentation. Once your file is open, click the Supademo icon in the browser. You'll see options to set the screen dimensions or customize them to fit your layout. There's also a handy feature to automatically blur sensitive information. This includes emails, prices, numbers, or even specific custom elements that you select. Let's give it a try here. Once you're done, click Save to confirm your settings. Now, let's start the recording. Hit the Record Supademo button. Confirm by clicking Start Recording. Then go through your usual workflow. In this example, I'll select the page background. Click the Animate option, then choose an effect. Next, click Apply to all pages. Click anywhere outside to close the page animation panel. Now, let's preview the animation. Supademo automatically captures each step. I'll include this presentation's Supademo link to the description below so you can try the viewer's mode yourself. Once done, just click Stop the recording. It will begin processing, and in seconds, you'll be able to edit the captions. You can customize the theme, colors, add a chapter for the title cover, you can also rearrange steps or remove any mistakes. You can also turn off the automatic zoom and pan animations on specific slides, and even add a call to action at the end. This tool makes explanation feel effortless, and that's powerful. Honestly, I've used a lot of tools over the years, from Loom to full-blown editing software, but Supademo sits in that sweet spot. Simple, fast, and professional. Now, let's add a voiceover. There's an option to choose between using an AI voiceover or recording your own. Let's check out their realistic AI voices. Supademo offers them in different accents like American, British, and more. For this demo, let's go with Claire. Then, let's sync the voiceover with our Hubspot text and click Save. Next, let's add background music. Let's try Playful Pop. Adjust the volume and save. Finally, let's have a preview of our work.
First, select the page background. Click Animate. Choose an effect. Then hit Apply to all pages. Click anywhere outside to close the page animation panel. Next, hit the Share button. Choose Present to have a preview. Click to confirm. Click next to end the slide preview.
Just like that, we've created a clickable, guided demo that viewers can follow at their own pace. Do you want to see more examples or walkthroughs? Comment below what you want me to demo next. Thanks for watching. Now go make something awesome and let the demos do the talking.